GoLogin video creation reward program. GoLogin has a reward system for users who create and promote videos that showcase to platform. This program allows content creators, YouTubers, or influencers to earn rewards or commissions for generating video content that highlights the features and benefits of GoLogin. Below are the key details of the program. Key features. Reward for video creation. GoLogin offers financial rewards for users who create and upload videos about the platform. These videos can cover topics such as tutorials, reviews, or how to use GoLogin for specific purposes like managing multiple browser profiles, using proxies, or improving any anonymity online. The reward amounts vary depending on the quality and reach of the video. Generally, the more detailed and informative the video is, the higher the reward. Eligibility criteria. To qualify for the reward, your video should meet certain criteria such as high quality production, clear audio, video resolution, etc. A comprehensive explanation or demonstration of GoLogin's features. Minimum video length usually around 3 to 5 minutes. You must you must publish the video on platforms such as YouTube, Vimeo, or any other social media channels with a substantial audience. Promotion support. GoLogin encourage video creators to promote their videos across various platforms or to maximize reach. This can include social media, blogs, forums, and websites related to marketing, privacy, or online anonymity. Review and approval process. After uploading the video, users need to submit the video link to GoLogin for review. The GoLogin team evaluates the video based on the content's relevance, quality, and how well it explains the platform's capabilities. Once approved, the reward will be disbursed. Types of video accepted. Tutorial video, step-by-step guides on using GoLogin for specific tasks like setting up profiles or integrating proxies. Review videos. In-depth reviews discussing GoLogin's pros, cons, features, and user experience. Case studios. Video showing how GoLogin solved specific problems such as account management, avoiding bans, or maintaining anonymity. Feature demonstration. Focus on one specific feature of GoLogin, such as cloud synchronization or managing profiles across multiple devices. Pros. Earn money to content creation. The program offers a straightforward way for video creators of monetize their content by simply showcasing the use of GoLogin. Flexible content creation. You have to freedom to create content in your own style, whether it's a tutorial, review, or case study, making it suitable for different types of creators. Potential or for recurring income. If your video generates a large number of referrals through an affiliate link, you can also earn commissions from the GoLogin affiliate program on top of the reward. Cons. Quality standards. The reward amount will depend on the quality of the video. So creators need to invest time and effort into making high quality content. Niche audience. As GoLogin is a specialized tool for specific professions, marketers, web scrapers, and privacy conscious users. The content might only appeal to a particular audience. Conclusion. GoLogin's video making reward program is a great opportunity for content creators to earn reward by creating and promoting educational or review content. It's a solid way to monetize video content while providing useful information to your audience. The potential for or additional income through affiliate commissions adds even more value, making it worthwhile for influencers and video marketers with an interest in tech tool.